But some of y'all may know that I do my own nails even before the quarantine happened, and so and some people have asked or requested for me to show a tutorial, but I can't do a full set because I still have my nails on. I am missing my pinky. This one is lifting, and I'm missing this finger. Now the reason why my nails popped off is because I ran out of liquid, and when I went to the stores, they were all out because everyone is doing their nails, and I'm not mad at y'all because listen, that's why I'm doing my own nails to save them coins. But some people are doing it because the nail shops are closed. But for me, that's what I do because I'm a mother too, but I still try to be cute, so I'm trying to save $1. So guys, I'm gonna give you guys a quick tutorial on how, well, just watch me do my nails, doing repairs as well as fill in. So I'm gonna just show you guys what I do. Okay guys, so what I'm going to do first is start with my coarse bed, and I'm going to drill off any paint or any top coat or any type of polish that is on top of my acrylic. So that's what I'm doing here, is just filing off that excess paint as well as any type of polish that is remaining on my nail. Okay, y'all, so what I'm doing here is I'm putting on a tip to my finger, the nail that I broke, and you want to make sure that the tip is covering your nail from both sides. So you can see me looking on both sides to make sure that this new tip covers my full nail. Next, I'm going in with my clippers to cut my nail. Then I'm going to go in with my flat, well, I shouldn't say flat, but my straight clippers. This has a straight end. It doesn't have like the normal like curved clippers. This is a straight end, which helps me cut off the extra sides when I'm doing the coffin. And then I'm going in with my 100 course file, and I'm filing up my sides and making them into the coffin shape that I desire. So I do the nails side by side to see if they evenly are at the same length. And then here you see I'm going in with my sanding bed, and I'm going to sand down where my tips meet my nail, so that when I put my acrylic on, it looks like one whole nail, and it makes it an even, well, not even, but it makes it have more of a natural look. Here I'm going in with my Mia Secret Cover Me Pink, and I'm also using the clear, but I didn't show that part, but I'm using these two to show like the ombre look. A lot of people think that I did like two, well, it is ombre, but I'm only using the Cover Me Pink, and I just put a clear at the end. But here I'm going in with my primer, just to prime around my nails and the base of the tips of those nails that I had to clip on, and I'm doing that on all nails. Alright, so with this process, I have not mastered the one bed method. So I always start my first bed or bead, whatever you want to call it, right there where the nail meets the tip, and that is where it's gonna start off. And I'm just applying the acrylic. And what you want to do when you add the liquid to the powder is you want to check and see when the powder has absorbed all the liquid. Is when you can tell when it's powdered and when it's together. So when you see that, that's when you know you can join it to the nail. And so I'm just going to keep going back and forth until I have the desired look, thickness, and length of the nail. And what you'll see me do in the midst of me applying more acrylic is that I keep wiping off my brush on the paper towel. You want to keep doing that because you want to let any excess acrylic off your brush before you dip back into the liquid or the monomer and apply some more acrylic. With the fill-in, I could do that with one bead because it's normally just the front or the tip of the nail bed sorry y'all, where it needs to apply new acrylic. And one thing that I learned to help prevent lifting is that you don't want to apply the acrylic too close to your actual skin. If you get acrylic on your skin, it is going to cause lifting, because it's going to be like almost like a gap, and so it's going to cause lifting, and it can cause water or things to get under your nail, which can cause fungus. So just make sure that when you are applying acrylic that you don't want to go too far down to your skin or close to the nail. So leave like a little space between the two to separate.
On my timeline, saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline, hopeful, wonderful hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline, hopeful, wonderful hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline, hopeful, wonderful hours by my timeline. Saw your picture on my timeline. You were backlit by the sunshine. Couldn't text across the skyline. Undecided as I scroll by. Timeline, hopeful, wonderful hours by my timeline.
Now I'm going in with my fine drill, and I'm just using that to clean up the sides, smooth out any rough parts, file down any corners or any extra acrylic that came over the sides. And this will help if I need to clean up a little bit of acrylic that went too far over. This will help clean up that areas, because you really, I can't stress that enough, guys, you don't want any acrylic on your actual skin or anything past your nail bed. Alright guys, so I'm just filing it up to clean up my nails, and then I'm going to go in with my buffer, and it's going to be the medium to fine. And guys, in the next step, I'm going to show you guys the gel top coat that I use. My camera cut off so you didn't see me doing my nails, but I'm just showing you guys that for this light I use, it has on 60 seconds and 120, and I did it about 4 to 5 times, and it gave me this wonderful finish. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. My disclaimer is I am not a nail tech, have not went to any school. I've just been a visual learner, and I've been doing my nails for a very long time. I hope some of my practices may be something you can use or keep, but during this quarantine time, I just wanted to show you guys how you can upkeep your own nails.